You need to hear this if you're a car history buff. Ciao, I'm Sophia, and we're exploring LADA cars today. From their Soviet roots to their global impact, LADA has a story that's as unique as it is intriguing. Did you know they're famous for being rugged and reliable? Stick around to discover the iconic models and milestones that made LADA a legend.
LADA, a name that resonates with rugged simplicity and practicality. It's a brand that stands as a timeless symbol of Soviet and Russian automotive engineering. Born out of the Soviet Union's ambitions to provide affordable and reliable transportation for its people, LADA has etched its mark on automotive history. Its story, spanning decades, is one of innovation, perseverance, and adaptation. The birth of AvtoVAZ and the LADA name. The story begins in 1966 when the Soviet government established AvtoVAZ, a massive automotive plant in the city of Togliatti. This city, poignantly named after Italian communist leader Palmiro Togliatti, became the cradle of LADA cars. To achieve their vision of a car for the masses, Soviet engineers teamed up with Fiat, a renowned Italian automaker. The partnership produced the V201, launched in 1970. It was based on Fiat's award-winning 124 model, but reimagined to withstand the challenges of the Soviet Union's roads and climate. Reinforced suspension, thicker steel panels, and a durable, simplified engine made the VZ201 a triumph. Fondly nicknamed Kopeka, or Little Coin, this car was the foundation upon which the LADA brand was built. For export markets, the name LADA was chosen, inspired by the Slavic word for a small boat or ladia. This name encapsulated the brand's spirit, practical, reliable, and enduring. Technical evolution and notable models. Let's journey through the evolution of LADA's models. The VZ21101 and its derivatives, 1970 to 1980s. The VZ21101, also called Zhiguli in Russia, became the blueprint for a diverse range of vehicles. From the versatile VZ 2102 estate to the more luxurious VAD 2103, with its twin round headlights, the lineup expanded significantly. In 1980, the introduction of the 2105 series modernized the design, adding square headlights and refined interiors. The LADA Niva, VAZ 2121, 1977, one of LADA's most iconic creations, the Niva, debuted in 1977. This compact SUV, with its permanent four-wheel drive and unibody construction, combined the ruggedness of an off-roader with the comfort of a city car. Farmers, adventurers, and rescue teams around the world embraced the Niva. Astonishingly, it's still in production today, virtually unchanged, a true testament to its ingenious design. The LADA Samara, 1984 to 1996. In the 1980s, LADA broke new ground with the Samara. It was their first front-wheel drive car, marking a departure from traditional rear-wheel designs. Sleek, efficient, and modern, the Samara was aimed at competing with Western compact cars, and it found considerable success, particularly in European markets. The LADA Riva, a automotive 2107, 1980s to 2010s. Derived from the original VA01, the LADA Riva became one of the world's most enduring car models. Its reliability, affordability, and straightforward engineering made it a staple in over 100 countries. The LADA Granta and Kalina, 2000s. In the 21st century, LADA sought to modernize its offerings with models like the Granta, a compact sedan, and the Kalina, a youthful subcompact hatchback. These cars prioritized safety and efficiency, appealing to a new generation of drivers. The LADA Vesta and X-Ray, 2010s present. The launch of the Vesta sedan and X-Ray crossover in 2015 ushered in a new chapter for LADA. These vehicles showcased bold designs, advanced technology, and signaled LADA's revitalization under the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi alliance. LADA's impact transcends its home market. During the Cold War, LADA cars were exported widely from Eastern Europe to Latin America. In many regions, LADA's epitomized affordable, accessible motoring. In motorsport, LADA's demonstrated their durability in rally events like the Dakar Rally, where the Niva earned global recognition. Their straightforward design also made them favourites in popular culture, with enthusiasts worldwide cherishing their charm and resilience. Of course, LADA's journey wasn't without challenges. The 1990s brought economic turmoil as the Soviet Union dissolved, forcing AvtoVAZ to navigate a competitive global market. Yet through partnerships with major automakers like General Motors and Renault, LADA adapted and survived. LADA cars are more than machines. They are cultural icons and historical artifacts. From Siberia's icy wilderness to the bustling streets of Moscow, these vehicles have carried generations through every imaginable condition. Today, as LADA embraces modernity while honouring its storied past, it remains a beacon of practical, accessible transportation. In a world often dazzled by luxury and glamour, LADA stands as a proud reminder that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most enduring.
Thank you for watching. If you find this video informative or entertaining, please do leave a like and subscribe, as this greatly helps the channel immensely. Until next time, I'm Sophia. See you all in the next video.